We did a lot of maths, we did a lot of science, we got to work on projects for ourselves. So it was exactly how I wanted it to be. I thought they couldn't have had anything else to make it better, so it was exactly what you wanted.
Totally recommend this camp to young people who want to know a bit more about physics, technology, and who want to people who really want to make friends. It's just the perfect environment.
The classroom work is amazing. They take it into very careful consideration how everyone starts on a different level and how nobody is on the same curriculum. But they still challenge you in a way in which you feel as if you're being pushed, but not to the point where it's causing you any stress. It's a great program, and I couldn't have been happier to make this choice.
After this summer camp, I really enjoy it. I think I might pursue a career in these fields because they made it a fun experience. I enjoyed learning about it because it wasn't boring. It wasn't like, oh, I have to do maths. It was, I get to do maths today.
I really enjoy it, and I find that it's like a challenging enough experience for people who have already learned the topics, but for people who haven't, it's still like a good environment where people help each other and everyone's really nice and